everyone. So today I'm going to be resin pouring a custom woodcut table that I hand painted. First I'm going to go ahead and use this eraser, and I'm going to erase all these little pencil marks, and then I'm just going to finish up painting the sides. So this is my second time resin pouring a table. The first time I helped my boyfriend do his, and I don't have a resin pour table, so I'm going to use this clear wrap that we use whenever we move to wrap our paintings, and I'm going to wrap our plastic table in that so that the resin doesn't damage the table. My resin actually just got here today. I ordered resin from Jerrys Artarama, so I'm going to do a little unboxing of that too. Probably be a little easier with the box cutter, but I don't have one, so. Wow. Okay. Alright, I have never seen a box folded like this. Kind of cool. Box inside of a box. Make sure to repurpose and recycle your boxes, as well as your packing materials. And so, this is the kind of resin we're working with today. It's envirotex-lite. So these are 64 ounces each. This is the hardener, and then this is the resin. And I'm going to read the instructions now. I'm going to go ahead and wrap the table in saran wrap. Okay, so these are my measuring tools. I'm going to use this plastic measuring cup. Initially mix it in here, and then we're going to put it in the sauce jar. This is a 24 ounce, so it should fit. And then my resin. And then I'm going to be using this to mix it, these to spread it, and these to spread it. I try to use repurposed materials so I don't have to go and buy more. These should work fine. Okay, so for envirotex-lite to chemically combine, we're going to have to mix equal parts in this first, and we're going to stir for 2 minutes, and then we're going to transfer that over to this jar and then mix for another minute, and then we're going to be good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and get that started. So we went through with the heat gun and we popped all the air bubbles, and I accidentally poured a little too less, so I added half a cup, and this is what we have so far. My table has been drying for about 3 days now, and it is officially cured. It's got a very good shine to it, as you can see the reflections from the lamp. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to get some E600 glue, and I tried to resin these little stars on, and a few of them stayed, but I'm going to go ahead and put stars all along the edges, and then I'm going to put some, oh look, a little cardboard outside. I can just sand that off easily. If you have anything attached, you can easily just sand it off. But that is my resin table, and I'll be putting legs on it next week, so stay tuned.